Okay, number 40 says, find the sine of the inverse cosine of pi. So the inverse cosine of pi is saying, what angle theta could I take the cosine of such that cosine of theta equals pi? Cosine of theta can't equal pi. This is one of those questions where it looks like it should work out, because pi is one of the numbers we use in trigonometry quite a bit. But the cosine graph only goes from -1 to 1. As I go from 0 to 2 pi. So even in my restricted domain of 0 to pi, the range there is only from -1 to 1. Well, pi is 3.14, so that's way out of the range of the cosine graph, which means it's out of the domain of the inverse cosine. So this is an undefined value because pi is not in the domain of the inverse cosine, because pi is not in the range of cosine. I can't take the opposite over the hypotenuse, or sorry, for cosine, the adjacent over the hypotenuse in a right triangle. I can't have the adjacent side over the hypotenuse and have it equal 3.14, because the hypotenuse has to be the larger number. So cosine is always going to be a decimal between 0 and 1.